Hey nozzle heads, today we are talking about layer height and how it is going to affect your 3D printing. Now, layer height is simply the height of the material that you are 3D printing. Pretty easy to think about and completely understand. So layer height, let's assume you have a high layer height. That means you're going to lose fine detail on your 3D print. It means you're more likely going to see those lines in your finished 3D print, but it also means that your print is going to go faster. Now, there's also something called initial layer height, which, as you could take a guess, is the initial layer. And the reason you might want to change this is because the higher your initial layer height, in theory, the better your print is going to adhere to the printer bed. So you can make this higher or lower than your normal default layer height. So what we've done is printed 5 different dittos, all varying the layer height. That's the only setting we've adjusted, so we can conceptualize what the layer height is doing to the 3D print and the detail. That way you can choose what layer height is best for your specific project. This ditto was printed with 0.4 millimeter layer height and initial layer height. It took 14 minutes to print, 6 of that being just preparation before printing. So take a look at the overall print, the detail, the lines, and you can see that this looks like absolute. The layers aren't cohesive. The detail is awful, and let's be honest, I know you can do better. You know you can do better. Let's do better. Okay, now this is much more reasonable. This is the 0.3 millimeter layer height and initial layer height. So this took 14 and a half minutes to print. So not much longer, but yet you can actually see detail in the face. It looks better quality. Now still, don't get me wrong, you can clearly see layer lines right here. But the timing is similar and it's a much better product than what you got before. So this overall much better than the 0.4 millimeter layer height. Now this ditto was printed with 0.2 millimeter layer height. So this is one time when it comes to layer height that dropping a deuce is a good thing. This took 17 minutes, so 3 minutes longer, but look at the detail. It's much better. The layer lines look cohesive. Overall, it is a great mix of quality, time, and strength. Now, of course, if you look at the right angles here, you can see layer lines, but it looks much, much better than everything that we've seen in the past, and you wouldn't be embarrassed to show this to someone saying that you printed it. We are getting into top-notch quality here with this 0.1 millimeter layer height and initial layer height. So now this did take 27 minutes, so you're paying the price with your time. There was 6 minutes of prep in there, but still, this looks really great. The layer lines are almost non-existent unless you really look, zoom in, and you're trying to find them. The quality is refined, it's sharp. Again, you're paying for it because you're taking 10 more minutes to print something like this, but that's just for this little guy. Think about if you're printing something big or really anything bigger, it's gonna cost you hours or even days, especially if you're printing something huge like an appendage or something like that. We are in the wild quality category right here with 0.08 layer height. If someone says that they can see the layer lines on this print, give them one of these.
A bullshit? A bullshit? A bullshit?
It's clearly incredible, but honestly, it's not that much better than the 0.1 millimeter layer, and this took 34 minutes to print this little guy. Again, the detail is fantastic, but is it really 7 minutes better? Personally, I don't think so. However, one thing I did want to highlight, it's going to probably be hard to see here. So the layer height is 0.08, but the initial layer height is 0.4 millimeters. I wanted to try to show you what that would look like with such a stark difference. You can see a layer line on the very first layer. After that, it's 0.08. You can't see anything, but that way you can conceptualize what that looks like. When someone tells you they print with a 0.2 millimeter layer height, you can say ditto, and now you know why. Most 3D printers default with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and the general rule of thumb is that 80% of your nozzle size you want to be your layer height. So in this case, it was around 0.28. But don't worry, you can use this for any size nozzle, whether you have a tiny, teeny, weeny nozzle or you got a big, intimidating nozzle. This rule of thumb is great for the compromise between strength, quality, and speed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and happy printing.